from here it's showing 272 kilometers and it will take like around 5 hours and 20 minutes. That's what's showing in the map, but I think I will take more, like 6 to 7 hours minimum. So it's already at 7:20 or something like that, 7:23. Everything I have checked, but not the tire pressure. I think it's okay. I need to fill up the petrol tank. Since it's Goa, petrol charges are comparatively lesser. I will try to fill up the tank once more. I just had my breakfast. I've already covered around 120 kilometers, something like that. 160 kilometer more to cover till Shimoga. I'm not sure about the road condition, but hoping it will be good. It's a national highway. So the first destination will be Jog Waterfalls before reaching the Shimoga town. So I already reached here, Jog Waterfalls. I can hear the sound. Yeah, I think it's there. We can actually follow this step, go down really, but I don't have that energy to go down and climb up. So I'm just leaving. It's too hot here. It's too tiring as well. So I think the road will be twisty, as you can see in the map. Like, it's taking a lot of twists and turns. I think I will reach by 1:30. I will have my lunch and then I will decide whether I have to move forward or stay there somewhere, because I didn't slept much yesterday night. I think like 4 to 5 hours maximum. I'm just feeling very sleepy sometimes. Actually, I planned this 1 year before to visit all these places, but due to some unplanned events, I couldn't do it. So it's going to be end of this trip. I think this will be the last stay. I could actually go directly to Bangalore, but it will take around 570 something kilometers from the place I stayed in Goa. Yeah, I thought, why to take so much of pressure to complete the trip within a day. The road actually, the map recommended is through Hubli Road. I don't exactly remember the road name. That will be a 4-lane highway, not like these mountain roads. You don't find much excitement in riding on those roads. Okay, then change of plan. I came across Shimoga. It was actually a town. I tried to find any rooms there, but later I thought, why should I go further? How it will be like, no, I'm not sure. This is the first time I'm coming on this way. So even I was not hungry at that time. I just, took the Shimoga, Bangalore. But the problem with this road is it's under construction. You can see that here. It was very bumpy road. Then I felt a little bit fatigued. Stopped for around 10 minutes. So after that, I felt hungry. Stopped in a restaurant, had a lunch. I need to refuel it after a while. So basically we planned something, but in this execution level, it might change. There is one deviation in left side, so I have to take left and it will join Chitradurga, Tumkur, Bangalore highway. The speed bumps here, man. I'm actually fed up with the speed bumps here. I understand it's for a course, but for two-wheelers, it's like, I don't know. Let's see another one.
Another one. Another one.
Let me shift to third gear. Another one. Oh, I don't know what to say. I think it's 8 kilometers more like this, and after that I think the road will be fine. But I think my soul will leave if I am going through all these. This side of Karnataka, it looks more like Tamil Nadu. Is it straight or left? Straight ahead. Is this the road I'm going to encounter? Holy moly. So my plan has changed. Like it's only 137 kilometers from here to my home. So I thought, like, why should I stay in between? And I'm not feeling that much tired, even though I've covered more than 500 kilometers till now. And it will take around 2 hours, two and a half hours. So it's already 6:33. I will be there around 9. I took a small break. Let's see. Like, if I need another break, I will take that. If I am feeling anything like I need to stop, or I'm feeling too much tired. But at the moment, it's all okay. But I don't want to take any risk as well. So let's see how it goes. I don't recommend riding in the night. But yeah, like sometimes we need to stretch a little bit. I entered the nice road, and Bangalore welcomed me with a state of own traffic. By the way, Bangalore road needs, the two-wheeler needs toll. One way, Singasandra.